My USB flash drive is not showing up in File Explorer, and when I try to open it, the system asks me to format it. But I don't want to lose the files on it, and now I'll show you how to recover data and fix the flash drive without losing anything. First, right-click the Start button, and open Terminal as administrator. Enter a simple command that usually fixes this issue. You'll find it in the video description. If your flash drive has a different letter, just replace it in the command. Press Enter. Now we can see the result. The system detects the drive as raw, which means standard repair won't work. So we'll close the terminal. Next, we'll use a free program to recover all files from the flash drive to the computer, and then format the drive to make it usable again. Open your browser and search for TestDisk. It's one of the best tools for recovering files from USB drives. Click here to download it. Close the browser. Open File Explorer. And go to your Downloads folder. To extract the zip file, right-click it, and select Extract All. Choose where to extract. I'll leave it in the same folder. And click Extract. Open the extracted folder. Scroll down. Right-click this file, and run it as administrator. Now let's create a folder where we'll save the recovered files. I'll create one on the desktop. In this program's window, all actions are controlled solely by the keyboard, without the mouse. Use the arrow keys to navigate, enter to confirm, and special keys for actions. In the window that opens, Create is already selected, press Enter. In this window, use the arrow keys to select your flash drive. You can identify it by its size. At the bottom, select Proceed, and press Enter. If you make a mistake, you can always go back by pressing Q. Here, select Intel. Enter. Next, select Analyze, and press Enter. Then choose Quick Search. Enter. Now we see that TestDisk has detected a partition with files. It is highlighted in green. To view files on the flash drive, press the key P. In the next screen, you'll see all folders and files from your flash drive. If you can see your files, that means recovery is possible. To select a single file, move to it with the arrow keys, and press C. To select everything, go to the top and press A. And then all files highlighted in green will be restored to your computer. To choose where to save the files, press C. By default, you'll be in the folder where TestDisk is located. To navigate to the folder we created for the recovered files, navigate to the line with 2 dots, and press Enter. This takes you one level up. Find another line with 2 periods at the end, press Enter. Repeat this until you see your drives, like C, D, and so on. I created a folder on my desktop, so I will go to my C drive. If your folder is also on your desktop, then follow me. Enter. Go to the Users folder. Enter. Here, select the folder with your username. I'm choosing Malik. Enter. Then go to the desktop. Press Enter. Now select your folder, mine is called New Folder. And press Enter. To start copying files, press the key with the letter C. The file list will open again, and the files will appear in green. This means everything is ready. Earlier we used lowercase c, but here you must press uppercase C to confirm. And so, hold Shift and press C, and the recovery process will begin. Now I open the folder. And as you can see, all files have been successfully recovered. I hope it worked for you too. Now let's fix the flash drive. Open this PC, right-click the drive, and try formatting it. If Windows fails to format it, don't worry, I'll show you a universal method using diskpart that almost always works. Right-click Start, and open Terminal as administrator. For your convenience, I saved the commands in a text file. You can find them in the video description, and then do everything exactly the same way as I do. Copy each command, paste it into the terminal, and press enter. This command shows all connected drives. Press enter. Find your flash drive by size, and enter its number in the next command. My drive is number 2. Enter. This command cleans the disk. Press enter. This one creates a new primary partition. Enter. Now format the drive with this command. Enter. And finally, this command assigns a drive letter and completes the recovery. Press enter. Let's check how our flash drives work. Now my flash drive is fully restored, and I hope yours is too. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, it really supports the channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Good luck.